The valves are located on the top rear of the engine, indicated by the red arrows. You will need to remove the airbox to access them. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. The valve on the right side is access between the AC hoses, coolant, and oil lines, red arrow. Access is tight, but you do not need to remove anything else to get to it. We are going to show you how to remove the valve on the left. We have removed the alternator for photographic purposes only. You do not need to remove anything but the valve. Begin by squeezing in the wire release on the top of the valve and removing the electrical connector, red arrow. Follow the valve body, yellow arrow, down to the base of the valve. Clean the area around the base well, and then use an E6 Torx and remove the two bolts, red arrow, one on each side. A trick I use is to place a small piece of old glove or tape on the end of the socket to help hold the bolt in place. This saves you from dropping it down into the engine area and having to fish it out later. The valve can be in there really tight. Protect the body of the valve and twist it as you pull it straight up. You can put some fabric tape on it. Check the mesh screens, red arrow, and clean as needed. If the screens are damaged, the valve must be replaced. The small welds on the screen can fail from heat and vibration, and the screens can pop off when removing. Make sure to plug the opening after you remove the valve and clean the mounting area. If you are reinstalling the valve, you must replace the O-ring. Grease the O-ring with Porsche synthetic grease or equivalent. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the E6 bolts to 8 Newton meters or 6 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.